Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the design view of the form. If you want to design or if you want to change the color, you can also do that. Simply what you need to do, you have to go to the home section, and after going to the home section, you have to click on this. And here in the last section, you will see the option for the design view. You have to click on the design view. And after that, as you can see, these are the buttons. If you want to arrange the button, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to click on this, and now let's click on the right click. And now here, you have to click on the layout. And here's an option for the tabular. So let's click on the tabular. So the buttons will be arranged like this. So I'm going to drag these buttons here. What I'm going to do, simply let's drag this button here. So as you can see, these buttons are here. Now simply you have to click on this here. If you want to add any kind of other text box or label or anything else, you can also do that from here. You just have to select, or if you want to add the picture, you can also do that. If you want to add the title, you can also do that. You have to click on the title, and here you have to write the name. For example, I'm going to write the admission form here. And if you want to add the logo, you can also do that. You have to click on the logo here, and now you have to select the logo, and the logo will be added. And I'm going to cancel this one. And after that, here some other options are provided here, like the date and time and the property sheet and all the things. You can also use these all options as well. If you want to add a chart, you can also do that. You have to click on this column and the chart will be added. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the design view for the form. So see you guys in the next video.